got back from school, and this is before I had gone for the audition. I just got a call from the casting people, and they called कि ऐसे एक movie है उसके audition है, and I didn't know any of this. And I came back home from school, and as I enter the room, I see my mother sitting in front of me, and she's just looking at me. She's not saying anything. She's just looking at me like this. Okay, so the one who casted us, he's Mukesh Chabra. So she told me that someone from his office called, and I was like, okay. And then she was like, audition के लिए बोला है. I was like, okay. Then she said, आमिर खान के साथ movie है. And again, she gave me this look. Do you deserve this? And I was taken aback for a while, and it took me some time to come to the fact, okay, fine, I have been called. So I went there, and as I entered the room, I see people. Saw some 20 or some other, I don't know, a lot of girls were sitting there. And I was like, नहीं हो पाएगा, कोई chance नहीं है. But somehow मैंने audition दिया, वो बहुत लंबा चला. और फिर I got back home, उसके कुछ 1-2 महीने तक कोई call नहीं आया. And I had given up कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. But when they actually called me and told me that, okay, fine, you're the one we've casted. I asked them 5 times, are you sure? Have I been shortlisted or have I been actually casted for this? So that's how the journey began.
Suhani,
Because I am from Delhi, so I gave an audition there. So after that, when I came out, my mother said, कैसा हुआ कैसा हुआ? मैंने बोला मम्मा मैंने अपना बेस्ट दे दिया है, बस बाकी तो सब भगवान के ऊपर है. And then and then my mother was regularly asking father कि कॉल आया कॉल आया कॉल आया. Then one day seriously the production guy called and he said your daughter has been shortlisted and you have to go to Bombay. And I was really surprised and I was so happy. I thanked to God and I was really happy. And then uh, we had some scenes with Amir sir at Mukesh Chabda's office. So there also I was really excited and I was really, like I had never worked with someone so perfectionist and so much of skill. And
बेड़ा
it
कर
was-
दिया इसने.
nahi, but it was very difficult. So now actually then they finally told that you have been casted to this, and it's an honor and it's a pleasure working with such a great actor. Thank you.
हाय आमिर, दिस इज हीना कुमावत.
हाय हाय हाय.
जैसे कि इसमें गाने में लाइन है कि बापू से अच्छे तो हिंदी फिल्मों के खलनायक है. जब आप बच्चे थे तो आपको अपने पापा या मम्मी के लिए कभी ऐसा फील हुआ?
हाँ, मेरे पापा के साथ मुझे हमेशा ऐसा फील होता था.
ऐसा क्या
अब्बाजान,
हुआ?
हाँ, अब्बाजान वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद अस, वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. आई मीन ही वाज वेरी लविंग आल्सो, बट उसके साथ साथ स्ट्रिक्ट भी बहुत थे. तो हम बच्चे हमेशा बहुत डरते थे उनसे. तो एक्चुअली ये गाना हमारे हम चारों बच्चों पर परफेक्ट सूट होता है, क्योंकि जैसे ही घंटी बजती थी घर की, नितेश जी, तो हम लोग ऐसे चूहों की तरह भागते हैं ना बिल में. तो पापा अब्बाजान आ गए, हम लोग छुप जाते थे कमरे में. तो वी वर वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ हिम एंड बट ही वाज वेरी लविंग आल्सो. बट वी यूज्ड टू फील कि ये खलनायक टाइप के हैं.